Thank you, Cote d'Ivoire. I will invite Egypt to be followed by South Africa. Egypt, you have the floor.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. I would like to thank and congratulate the Chair of IOC, Ambassador Helen, for a new position from 1 month ago. In addition, I will not forget, I would like to strongly thank Emeritus Chair of IOC Africa, Professor Afyan, and the Secretary of IOC, Ebukon, for highly progressed and potential that represented in the last presentation, which we see now. Also, Afyan working very hard work to support Africa with me through 4 years ago. Thank for him for this potential and the effort in under activity and under stress of low finance for cover all this activity. Egypt, full support for IOC Africa, and it is a visual mission, especially within the framework of United Nations Ocean Decade Science for Sustainable Development. Egypt is an implementation partner with IOC for sustainable development through different progress and different programs related to resilience, ocean resilience, and biodiversity. Also, some activity about mitigation of hazard and also fisher resource about that. And increase awareness about all the African science and also increase inter-cooperation between the science in Africa and different countries in Africa. Also, Egypt, IOC, and China establish a Blue Center, which will be mainly about mention about the research and cooperation about the blue economy in different regions, about the whole category of the blue economy. This is we are work hard through the last 2 years from different activity, and we are make announce of the conference. Will be invited most of the IOC officers to be attend this conference in Cairo. In addition, Egypt strongly support IOC Africa and UNESCO initiated Tolerance for Africa under the Ocean Decade through many activities for Africa countries. This effort will be visual and for building scientific capacity, transferring technology, and ensuring that African voice, data, and the priority will be covered under the activity of Ocean Decade. Egypt is committed to strengthening the regional and continental collaboration between African countries, and this is the main target for Egypt to be increase the knowledge and sharing a platform, training program, advancing role for supporting for the youth scientists and the women in ocean science. In addition, and ensuring the African countries are not left behind in the global moving toward sustainable ocean future. Egypt believes that working together as a scientist, policymaker, educator, and citizen to ensure Ocean Decade become true decade for opportunity for Africa. Egypt stands with IOC UNESCO for save our ocean and our continent. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Egypt. Yes, Egypt, please.
Thanks, Mr. Chair. I confirm that now, as you see from the General Secretary Vider, about the situation of the finance will be not easy now. It is a very hard situation that for be exposed to IOC. We are understand this situation. So I needed second point, we needed to thank General Secretary to retrieve about 100,000 to support Africa, this through the IFAC committee. So what we are looking for, we can modify this proposal when we have additional fund, and we can also, we don't need finance for employment. We needed the finance only to cover the activity which will be needed for Africa to support this activity. We don't need it. So we can modify it or delay this for, we get an additional finance. I understand the situation of IOC. Thank you.
Thank you.